Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I've got some juicy details on the Motorola Edge 50 Neo and the ThinkPhone 25 thanks to some recent Geekbench listings. First up, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo. According to the Geekbench listing spotted by My Smart Price, the Edge 50 Neo managed to score 1055 in single-core and 3060 in multi-core tests on Geekbench V6. 3. Not too shabby. For context, the Edge 40 Neo scored 3,559 and 8,508 in multi-core on Geekbench V4, but remember, different versions, so not a direct comparison. The listing also reveals the phone packs 8 GB of RAM and runs on Android 14 right out of the box. The motherboard is tagged as Vienna, hinting at the Dimensity 7300 SoC with a peak clock speed of 2.50 GHz. Plus, it's got the Mali G615MC2 GPU. Now onto the ThinkPhone 25. This device also popped up on Geekbench, confirming its marketing name. It scored 1039 in single-core and 2833 in multi-core tests. Interestingly, it also has the Vienna motherboard, suggesting it might share the same Dimensity 7300 SoC as the Edge 50 Neo. This could mean the ThinkPhone 25 is a rebrand of the Edge 50 Neo, but that's pure speculation for now. Both phones have 8 GB RAM and boot Android 14 OS. So what else do we know about the Edge 50 Neo? It's rumored to feature a 6.4-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, paired with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Camera-wise, expect a 50MP Sony LIT700Z main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide sensor, and a new 10MP telephoto sensor. A 32MP front shooter for selfies rounds things out. Battery capacity sits at 4,310 mAh with 68W wired fast charging, a slight downgrade from the 5,000 mAh on its predecessor. The Edge 50 Neo might come in Pantone Latte, Pantone Grisaille, Pantone Poinciana, and Pantone Nautical Blue colors. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates and hit that subscribe button for the latest in tech. See you next time.